Good morning, friends. Today again we are here with our syllabus. We are going to learn today 1.2 lesson. The name of this lesson is warm up with Tara and friends. In this lesson, we can see that there are a lot of activities for you. Interesting activity which we will enjoy. You will enjoy while doing this activity, and this activity will definitely motivate you to create something new things here. Okay, so we will see here warm up with Tara and friends. What is here warm up means? We have to refresh ourselves. We have to refresh me whatever the older things we had learned earlier. We have to go refresh here. Like here they had given uh, some pictures of different kinds of children who are whose expression are showing here. Okay, like here, hi Bittu, hi Paddy, hi Cuckoo. I'm so excited about starting the studies again. Means she is telling to her friend that she is so excited to for starting the studies again, because today, like you are in the home, I am also in the home. You are not going to school, and it is too boring for you to stay for such a long period in the home. It is not comfortable for you. You are missing the school, you are missing your friends, you are missing the enjoyment you are doing in the school. Okay, so she is telling that, the other fellow is telling that, oh no, holidays are over. Some students are who disappointed because the holidays are over. That some students who don't like school, who don't like study, they always think that holidays is good for them. More play on the school ground. Some thinking are that they can play more games on the school ground. Hi Tara, I am excited too. I will see my friends again. One friend is telling that I am also excited to see my friend again. You know that when you go to school, you can meet your older friends also. Some new friend also join to your company, and everyone become two friends. They enjoy their studies, they enjoy their games and everything. Okay, these are the conversation here. You can read this conversation. Now what we have to do here, we have to take this game 1. This is a game 1 that you have to take today. Game 1 we have to take this today. Okay, in here, the name of this activity is 1 2 3. What is name of the activity? 1 2 3. What you have to do here are three steps are given. You have to look in the your textbook. पेज नंबर 3. स्टेप 1, लेटर्स. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय लेटर्स? शब्द. सगळ्यांना माहीत आहे लेटर म्हणजे एखादा शब्द. व्हॉट यू हॅव टू डू? सपोज हियर दे हॅड गिवन दॅट form pairs. One person say the alphabet from A to Z in his mind till the other person stop him, write down the letter you get. Means you have to make a pair, but today we are in a lockdown situation, so we are not coming to the school, so we cannot make the pairs. So what we had changed this activity, what we had done, I had done here, I had done that. Suppose what I had done here, suppose you get the letter P or R or any letter you have to of your wish. Means you don't have to think of the letter. Whatever letter you like to do, take that letter. Like from A to Z you can take any letter. From A to Z you can take any letter of your choice. There is not any you can take A also, you can take B also, any letter. First you have to take one letter. Okay, like you had taken suppose P letter. Okay, what you have to do then? Step 2, words. You have to, what you have to do, you have to do make some words. How many words you have to make? 3 words. Like I had made here for an example, I will get, I had taken here P. What I had taken? P. And what I had made? P for parrot, P for peacock, P for pen. These 3 words I had made here. You can take any word of your choice. You can take B, B for ball, B for basket, B for buffalo. This kind of any kind of word you can take from A to Z. Do you understand? What you have to do? First you have to select the alphabet letter, then you have to make 3 words. You can make more than 3 words also. It is not necessary to make 3 words, you can make more than 3 words also. After that, what you have to do? After that, you have to make phrases. What is mean the meaning of phrases? I had given the definition. You have to write the definition. Phrase means it is a group of words that work together to make meaning, but it is not a complete sentence. Means it is a part of sentence. It is a phrase means it is a part of sentence. It is not a complete sentence. Like in your textbook, you can see here you can see it is a part of sentence, like finger chips, frog's foot, a green frog. Like here she had taken this word. You can see here she had taken this word. Which word she had taken? Fun, fish, frog. Then they had make a phrase with the frog. A frog's foot, finger chips, green frog, fish tank. You have to make a phrase. You don't have to make the complete sentence. Only a phrase you have to make. You don't have to complete the sentence. Like I will tell you that what you have to do here. Okay, here it, like we had taken which word? We had taken parrot, peacock and pen. What I had done here, I had made a sentence, a phrase, a green parrot, a red pen, a beautiful peacock. In this way you have to make phrases of your own. You can take help of your elders also. Phrases mean it is not a complete sentence, it is only the part of sentence. You can decorate that sentence. In other word, you can say it is, if other words it does not have both subject and verb. Here we should not have subject. Like I am telling this, you don't have to read that, you only write the phrase. You don't need a verb also. Okay, only you have to read the phrase. Like ball, big ball, red ball. You have to write only this: red ball, basket, full basket, green basket, big basket. You have to like this: apple, red apple. Okay, red apple, delicious apple. In this way you can make serious phrases. Okay, like again if I have to give the example, again I can give the example: fish, delicious fish, or any type of elephant, a big elephant. You can write this. You don't have to complete that this is a big elephant. You don't have to complete the sentence. You have to only write the phrases. Okay, understand the activity, interesting activity. First you have to make a letter, then you have to make a word. From this 3, 5, 10 words also you can make from any one alphabet, only one alphabet. After that you have to make the phrases. If you feel any difficulty, please don't hesitate to ask me. I am here always to help you. Okay, so please do this activity and share it on the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you friends.